Hey guys, Wraith here. Back at it with another video. This concept is for a gasifier jet engine. So this is how it was initially looking. And then because of flow, it's preferably to put straight. Yeah, it's a DRJ concept though. And then from there the improvement came when a straighter pipe was kept, and then has some perforations at the bottom, so this is slightly burning like charcoal, so producing wood gas. And then the wood gas comes to the first turbine and then to the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, it's lit up, so temperature increases, which increases pressure. The pressure drives these back turbines, which further rotates the front turbine, which pumps in more wood gas. So it's an amplification process. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.